Hello, 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 everyone. This is teacher Linda G with another English lesson. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about two important words, meeting and appointment. And these words are commonly used, of course, when we talk about scheduling and planning. So let's explore their meanings and when to use them. Let's first talk about meetings. So a meeting is when people come together to discuss a specific topic or maybe to share information and make decisions as a group. It involves a gathering or an assembly of individuals for a particular purpose. For example, when colleagues at work gather in a conference room to discuss a project, they're having a meeting. And during the meeting, they share ideas and they collaborate and they plan their next steps together. Another example is when students and teachers come together in a classroom to discuss a lesson or work in a group. Maybe they have to work on a group project. So in both cases, people are meeting to exchange information and engage in discussion. That's a meeting. And there are many different types of meetings, and that'll be on another video. Now, let's talk about appointment. Appointment is a specific arrangement or a specific scheduled time for a person to meet with someone, usually for a particular purpose or a service. And I'm going to give you a couple of examples here. For instance, when you visit a doctor or a dentist, you have an appointment. You have scheduled an appointment. You choose a specific time to meet with the professional who will examine you, who will provide treatment or provide some advice, and you schedule an appointment with them. Another example is when you schedule a meeting to discuss your progress with a teacher. For example, you've scheduled a meeting with a teacher to discuss your progress or to ask questions. In this case, you have an appointment because you have a scheduled time to meet one person in particular for a specific purpose. So you have an appointment with your teacher. To summarize, a meeting is when people come together to discuss a topic, to collaborate on a topic, while an appointment is a scheduled time to meet with someone for a specific purpose or a specific service. Now, I hope this lesson helped you to understand the difference between meeting and appointment, remembering that meetings involve gatherings and discussions, while appointments are specific arrangements for personal and professional services. See you next time. The next time I'm going to talk more about the different types of meetings. Take care now. Bye-bye.